ah, ah. The pronunciation is similar to letter A. Ah, ah. O, o. O makes it sound similar to the O in of. O, o. U, u. It's pronounced like the letter O in words like open or over. Try to read it out loud. U, u. U, u. U sounds similar to the OO in words like moon or soon.
Ah, ah. O, o. U, u. U, u. Ah, o. U, u.
U. Make your mouth wide and flat. Now it's your turn to read it out loud. U, u. E, e. Think of it as the letter E. They sound similar. Now try to read it out loud. E, e.
U, u. E, e.
Ya, ya. Ya makes YA sound. It's very similar to the YA sound in words like papaya or Yahoo. Shall we read it out loud? Ya, ya. Yo, yo. Yo makes YEO sound. Imagine that you pronounce E and O in a row very quickly. However, the two vowels should not be pronounced separately. Shall we practice together? Yo, yo.
Ya, ya. Yo, yo.
You, you. You is very similar to the YO sound in words like yoga, yogurt, or yo-yo. Shall we read it out loud? You, 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 you. You sounds similar to the alphabet U or the word you like you and I. Let's read it out loud. You, you.
You, you. You, you.